So, good day everyone. I am Lawrence Matthew Anwat, a member of the Wonder Pets, and we are here to introduce a solution that tackles two of the biggest challenges in the Philippine city: air pollution and urban flooding. Our mission, simple but powerful: cleaner air, safer streets, and greener cities. So, in our cities today, we have faced a double threat. The skies are getting drier and the streets are getting wetter. Every monsoon season, we see floods making roads impossible. Every dry spell, we breathe in smoke and pollutants. We ask ourselves, why? Should our infrastructure make things worse? Why can it be a part of the solution? So, as you can see, these photos says it all. Air pollution, floods, streets, and an environment that's crying out for a smarter decision. That is why we created Clean A and W concrete, a material that doesn't just sit there, it works. So, for the solution, uh, Clean A and W concrete is more than concrete. It is a dual function innovation. It allows water to pass through, reducing flood risk, and the same time it absorbs air pollutants. Using photocatalytic reaction, it's perfect for sidewalks, parks, and even roads in low traffic areas. It's smarter, scalable, and sustainable. So these are the five sustainable development, and we didn't just build a product. We aligned it with a purpose. So as you can see, this is the five United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, from a climate action to clean water and healthier communities. So our target markets are who are working with the primary clients are DPWH, environmental NGOs, local contractor, and real estate developers. We are also engaging NGOs because it is just the construction, it's transformation. So these are our product features, as you can see. Um, First, it's permeability. You can literally pour water over it and watch it disappear. That's drainage on whole new level. Second is the photocatalytic process. Our concrete reacts with sunlight to neutralize harmful pollutants like NOx gases. This is, this is infrastructure that works 24/7 to make cities healthier. So the materials that we used is we built it using local aggregates, uh, pozo, pozzolanic materials, lime and biochar, making it cost efficient and sustainable. And also, it is based on the proven materials. It can scale fast and multiply changes to current supply chain. So, next one is so these are the competitive analysis. So let's be clear: standard concrete, it's impermeable, passive, and environmental costly. So our product is active, it drains water, it cleans the air, and it doesn't just pave the road, it builds better cities. So for the business model, we are monetizing through bulk orders, construction, partnership, and infrastructure bidding. Our margin are healthy, 20 to 25%, and our pricing is competitive with traditional concrete when deployed at the scale. This is not just a green solution, it's also a profitable one. So the next one is our uh, go-to-market plan. So to get to the cities, we've built a multiple channel approach: direct sales to LGU, partnership, and develop bidding to green. Government projects and digital campaign bring us the visibility. We are already generating traction, thousands of visitors, real leads, and growth invest from both private and public sectors. So our current status is we are now we've complete a small scale prototype. The product is finalized and scalable. The startup is registered, and we've begun forming initial partnership. So our vision is clean air and dry streets for every city. So our plan is to continue refining the concrete for durability and performance, build a visible and awareness, and most important, secure long-term government and private sector. So our uh, uh, team and need behind this product is a team of engineers, sales specialists to roll it out, and are also an advisor and product who shares mission, and we want to be part of the change. So to close it out, clean A and W concrete is the kind of solution CP need today. It's practical, scalable, and built for impact. Let's build cities that breathe. Let's pave smarter. Thank you, and we are excited to move forward together.